So, we gonna learn Godot tonight. How do you open Godot? Here it is. Welcome. Another Atasam. But me, hello. If you think Godot from Isotony Trials and Tribulations, I ain't having it. It's not him. Jaisa, welcome. Godot on go broke. Christian, hello. Welcome to the club. Sama, hello. After Unity shot itself in the foot, now Godot is the best engine making software. Everyone learns Godot. Yeah. Deng Janai, Jankdos, hello. Gamma, hello. Godot. Hiro, hello. Godot, let's go. My personal game develop, my first game develop language. Nami, hello. Learn FE. What's an FE? Chamomile. Hello, Nerd Talani. Well, I think welcome to that Godot. Ethel, Kasa. Godot Isa, hello. Helmut, hello. It's been a long time indeed. Welcome. Malam, I also used Godot recently as well though. Nice. Oh. My back. Let's see. Buckley. Christian. Jack Frost. Gamma. Hiro. Nami, Ham, I think. Definitely welcome. Ethel. Us. The code, so please help me how to do it. I also have no idea. So, open Godot. I guess we make a new project kana local project import scan. Let's name it Godot Learning Project. Gonna put it in my drive. Where is it? Renderer. Support desktop platform only. Forward plus advanced 3D graphic available. Kinda want to do 2D. I want to go 2D. Can scale to large complex scenes. Uses rendering device backend. Slower rendering of simple scenes. Mobile supports desktop plus mobile platforms. Less advanced 3D graphics. Less scalable for complex scenes. Uses rendering device backend. Fast rendering of simple scenes. Compatibility. Mobile web platform. These advanced 3D graphics currently in work in progress. Intended for low-end or older devices. OpenGL, fastest rendering of simple scenes. Can be changed later, but scenes may need to be adjusted. Let's go with mobile. Version control. Git, I guess, yeah. Creator. Is this really the engine? Like, for real? It's 100 megabyte. It's just 100 megabyte. Is the engine seriously just 100 megabyte? Unity takes like how many gigabytes? What? Malam, babatal janay, baba janay. Sila ning Godot, bababat, hello. Nani yo, baba. What you read, Oma? I was reading stuff. I use mobile for 2D game. Ah, Nini, janay one. Yes it is, what are you playing? Godot. You can finally open it instantly. Yabe! That's already way better than Unity. It opens so much quicker. I mean, this is not the first time I touched Godot, but... Damn! Now that I'm trying it again, holy moly. You don't need to install it. How? This is black magic. How can a game engine you don't need to install? It's only 100 megabyte and it opens almost instantly. Wow! Compared to the tool they have, maybe the tools are less. There are less tools. You make huge kani in Godot. Nenek Janaimon. Diyan, hala. The nenek Disney, hala, masidip ka, masidikit. Nenek already babakan na bamala. Nani yo? Friendship on my PC can breathe. Yeah, all the GPU can. It's not all. I just updated my freaking GPU to play Starfield. I can play Starfield in ultra resolution of in ultra graphic, no problem, you punk. She is flabbergasted. Finally, she gonna sleep for 4 hours. No, I describe what today. I drew a character sprite. That's it. Yeah, all the GPU like its user. Nani, help me how to learn code. I also need that. Need help with that. Okay. What's going on? Scene. Import. Okay. Create root node. Let's go with 2D scene. Hi. So this is the 2D scene, I suppose. This is zooming in, zooming out. Okay, Transform, visibility, ordering, texture, material, yada yada yada. Let's save it. What? I'm trying to save the scene. Now it's doing something. Where is this? So I guess I just let's make new folders. Call it scenes. And then I'm gonna call this game. This is gonna be the scene where we play the game, right? I suppose. What's going on? I'm making game. Tadi draw loot sprite Jigawa. Omelin draw sprite. Jangan kasih kendal walaupun di sana ada kendal apa. Kan baba, nenek janai, baba janai. Okay. Now what? Now what? Okay, scenes. So this is the scenes. I guess I want to create a new folder. I want to name it player. Right? And then on the player, I want to add player sprite. The player sprite assets. I drew this thing. It's this. Mitekure, kawaii. Just a simple player walking. Hi Christian, welcome. Aku sebenarnya dari pot parah. Game gimana? Simple game. We'll see. Naman Ethel Chamomile. Nanya, na quickly review all Godot have. Ini mau lanjut bikin catbox? Enggak lah, gila. Okay, so now what? I want to create, I guess, this thing, I suppose. I want want to put it here? No, cannot. Let's add wow. What is this? Canvas layer. Node 3D. This is the 3 for the 3D. Is it? Okay. Node 2D. Animated sprite. Audio, back, bone, camera. Okay, I guess we need a camera first, right? So we have the camera. Where is the camera? Can I focus on the camera? Okay. 2D, 3D, script, asset. Asset library. And then let's say I want to add the, where's this control? Color rect, graph edit. Let's say I want to add, I guess I have to put the animated sprite 2D. Multiple textures as frames to play for animation. Create. Okay. Digiblock para. Nani? We have character body 3D node. So you don't do the sprite thingy? Alright, welcome. So at to see the camera box. It is purple box. Ah, naruhodo na. Okay. Oh, so let's see. Canvas collision shape. Joint 2D. Oh, there's a lot more down here. Navigation region. Touchscreen button. Is it not animated sprite 2D? I'm going to add this again after all. There's a thing. Configuration warning. A sprite frames resource must be created or set in the frames property in order for sprite 2D to display frames. Okay. Sprite frames resource. I guess we create new here. Resource? Oh, okay. Let's see, animation node. This is texture, mass, audio effect, shape 3D, shape 2D, material, camera, noise, font, scripts, input event, cushion, shader, tile. Wow, there's a lot of resources that you can make. Sprite frames. Okay. Player. Sprite frames, I suppose. Save. And then what? Resources, one change, status and name, script and T. Animation, sprite frames, new quick load dot. We put this here, I guess, animation default frame. Okay. Can I edit the thing? Animation frame. Karakura, welcome. Good evening. Animated sprite can be the child of character body 2D. Oh, なるほど、なるほど. Is Godot the framework or the language? It's the framework. Kasih halo, artinya apa kak? Artinya kita bikin game. Okay. New animation. Oh, so this is the default animation. And then this is what? I guess we put this here. Ah. Okay, I insert empty. From sprite sheet. Open. Frame duration. Audio animation. Huh? No. Oh, this. My sprite is like, it's like this. My sprite is like this. How do I? So, give us conclusion now. I'm trying to make a character. Basically, I have this character sprites animation that lets the animation like has a walking in place animation. I want the game to animate that as a character that the player can control. I'm currently trying to do that. The game tells me to make this whatchamacallit thing sprite frames, and I'm trying to give it input my sprite into it. What the next go doing? Nani yo? Ryukuma, welcome. Press that square stuff. Onsen Godot desu. Square stuff? This one? Add friends from sprite sheet. Oh! Okay, so I guess we delete this one. Open this, I guess. Ah, なるほどな. We have 8 by 8 if I'm not mistaken. This is 1 to 8 by 1 to 8. Okay. Looks good enough. No frames selected. At 1, 2, 3, 4 frames. Nice! Cute-jang! Let's go! Okay. What can I do with this? Let's try playing it. Ah, that's cute. Mite kure! It's moving! Mixie, welcome! 32 months to this, thank you! Join us, here's Godot! Omatry chodot, Bapak welcome! Yes! What the hell is this? This isn't Godot from Ace Attorney Trials and Tribulations? It is not! Bong Bong, nani Bong Bong? Shanakano, hello! Mite kure, guys! My thing is doing a thing! Very cool! 5 frames per second. What if I tell it to do 4 frames per second? I think that's preferable. How about 12 frames per second? That's too much. 24? 60. Whee! 2 frames per second also looks kinda cute. I think I prefer 2 frames per second. What is this? Okay. Frame duration. Okay, now we have that. Let's try playing the game. No main scene has been defined. Select one. You can change it later in the project settings under the application category. Select current scene, yes. Okay. So, it's not doing anything. Why? Well, why is it not doing anything? Bartholomew, welcome! When Ethel try Unreal Engine too confusing to try, also too heavy. Godot is Pixel Game Maker. You can do 3D, you can do 2D. Enlighten me. It's basically like like Unity, I guess. Felix, hala, imut, thank you. Okay, so this your thing. Frames, animation default, offset, transform, canvas item, animation default. Okay, the frame is 2, speed scale is offset the center, transform, blah 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 blah, visibility, top level, show behind, modular, like mass visibility, layer, material, process, mode, inherit, possible, always. What is this? The code's processing behavior. See process mode to check if the node is able to process with the current mode. Inherits process mode from the node's parent, from the content from the root node. It is equivalent. Oh, okay. So how do I make this thing? You know, start from how do I make it play from the start and to loop it? EA Become Citizen, thank you, welcome. Hi, Ethel and Chat Delaware, welcome. Oh, suddenly so many coming. What? People want to see me do Godot. Daffy, hello. The button we set to FPS is for loop. Oh, okay. Animation looping. Okay, got it. Adios, hello. Stay healthy and thank you, Dewey. Hello. Thank you. Terambulan di Godot bisa. Matabak. Okay, let's try playing it. It's not doing a thing. I guess it doesn't play for some reason. Or what? It doesn't start from the. It doesn't start when I. It doesn't start automatically, basically. Huh. The animation is already set to default. The frame is 0. Speed scale is 1. So what is wrong? Not that. This is the camera. The camera sees the thing. Bikin game apa? Game gak tau. Time to Google. What is it? Animated sprite 2D. Godot animated sprite 2D. Not playing. No. Animated start 2D. How to start? Sprite node that contains multiple textures as frames and is similar to the sprite 3D node, except it carries multiple textures, animation frames, animation creators in sprite frames is source is also import dimensional preferred animation frames. Okay, string name, properties, methods. Is playing constant, pause play, string name, custom. Signals, animation change. Property description, autoplay. The key of the animation to play when the scene loads. Void set autoplay. Property description. String, autoplay, center. Do I need to set the autoplay myself or what? I forgot what is the button beside the loop button. Pesamara, kamu gak boleh gitu. Gimana? Klik kan jadikan singular or less. Is it this? Play selected animation from current position. No, it just plays this. This one? Autoplay on what? Oh, there it is! Okay. There it is! Thank you, Hira! Yay! It plays! It plays, guys! 見てくれ! すごい! すごいすごい! Yes. What the hell is Godot again? It's a game engine, like Unity. Anjay! The one you delete. Godot, Corfin, hello! Why is it even called Godot? Apparently it's not Godot, it's Godot. People say Godot. What salto? Gampang mulut ngomong. Okay. So we got this guy moving around. I want to how do I do this? How do I do this? Oh. Oh, my neck. Godot. Why do games need engines? What are they? Car? Nanyo. Now we got this guy moving. Now what? Now effing what? I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. That's not what I want. Oh, the zoom. Oh. That's too much. I actually wanted to go out. I want the zoom to go out. So, like 0.2? Wow. Wow, that's tiny. Never mind. 0.8 かな? Let's say 0.5 probably. Okay, it's tiny but not too tiny. See, You can still see the guy, because I kind of want to make like a big scene. Yeah, I want the scene to be big. I want the player to be able to see around the surrounding. Atsudanai, making background dong. Depends on engine meaning. I'm playing the SD and was having fun with my Harvest Moon gameplay. But then winter hit and now I'm no longer enjoying things. No! So now I'm here. Is the winter difficult to handle? Everything dies? Talk and compare with 2 every day you use what pros and cons. I still have no idea what's going on with this engine, okay? I have no idea what is what. So I'm still very much learning. But I think I already see something, a pretty obvious difference here. In Unity, you make an object, and then in the object you can add whatever, right? But over here, apparently you don't do that. There are like nodes here that you can pick, and those nodes are where the whatchamacallit, it's like templates, I guess. So you just pick whichever works best for the thing that you want to achieve, and then you set that up in the scene. I think it's closer to Unreal in that regard. I didn't prepare anything for winter. I didn't expect it to come in day 22. Kinda stuck now. Oh man. I guess it's way too fast, huh? I kinda don't really like it when survival game proceeds way too fast like that. I like to prep things. I like to take things slow. I think like I'm used Vegas Pro instead Premiere, even though I know Premiere mucho into, but Vegas a lot like to handle my device. Yeah, the likeness of a program also affects me too. That's why I also prefer to use Krita than Photoshop, because Krita starts faster. Like programs are just nicer to use. They crash much less often too. Kind of lady nanny. What is the kind of lady making? Game! Combat is so easy since I have my merm army, but trying to stay warm and stuff is a bit tedious. Not fun. Okay, so now what? We have this. I want to make my character move around. Let's add something then. Character, but it's 2D. This one? Bam. This node has no shape, so it can't collide or interact with other objects. Consider adding a collision shape 2D or collision polygon 2D as a child to define its shape. Okay, collision shape 2D. Let's add collision shape 2D. What? A shape must be provided for collision shape 2D to function. Please create a shape resource for it. Okay. So now I need to create a shape resource. Capsule. I'm going to use a very simple, I suppose, rectangle shape 2D question mark. Player rectangle shape 2D. Okay. Drag this here. Narado. I can size is こうかな。なるほどな。Up direction. Character move to the floor collision. Stop on slope. Moving platform. Oh, it can also do moving platform automatically. That's so nice. What the hell? Transform. Position. Oh. Alama. Can I think that this should be default transform scale frame duration? What if we half the scale of this instead of making the camera further away? If I half this, that means the scale is now 64 by 64. What's Q? Oh, okay. 64 by 64. Then the collision shape can be like so. Okay. What kind of game? I honestly not sure. But also not much of a problem since I have kelp and potatoes. Kelp. We need to change the node 2D to character body 2D. Can create the shape on the right side. Oh, you can. Okay. Is this Kidbox seem too kind of lady? It's not. Also not old. Are you okay, kind old lady? My camera so far? Because gosh, I can never make a game. I don't have the patience for it. Well, I just complain. Ethel phone Jolanticus. A la madre. Absent bang. Okay, how come? Is this your fanboy dating project game? Kind of lady. Nah. Okay. So, I think I don't want to do it this way. I'm going to put this out, then yes, delete this node. Also want to delete the collision. I don't think the kind of game that I want to make requires any collision, at least not yet. So I'm going to make now a script to move this thing around. So how do I do that? Godot player movement 2D movement overview. Okay. Not gonna lie, this is extremely experienced in Life Lady is very good at making games. And yeah, right click the node 2D. Okay. Instantiate child scene, expand, cut, attach script. Introduction. Every beginner has been there. How do I move my character? Depending on the style of game you're making, you may have special requirements, but in general, movement in most 3D games based on a small number design. We'll use character body 2D for the example. Principle will apply. Setup. Its example below uses the same scene setup. Start with a character body 2D with 2 children, sprite and collision. You can use Godot icon, sprite 2D texture. And then have project settings like input map tab and the following input C. Okay. Attach script, then we code. No, I don't want to code. How do you code player 2D movements? That is the question, isn't it? Okay, apparently we have to set up the movement and the inputs first. Ada deh. Character body 2D instead of not 2D has some of the physics stuff built in. So it has like controls. Like it already has inputs and stuff. Hamburger, welcome. I kinda want to make. Okay, so I think what I want to make. Is it C++? I don't know yet. Welcome. Who this? Bobby, welcome! Not controls, you still have to code. No! So, what I want to make is, basically, I want to make an RPG. Okay, hold on, don't go yet. I know going for an RPG for the first project is very, very stupid. But, listen. I want to make a simple one, and then like the one where like each time the player moves, all the other actors in the and I wanted the simplest way to explain it, I guess, is like Mountain Blade, basically. That kind of game. So like imagine Mount and Blade, but only the overworld. Yeah, kinda like that. So there will be a lot of characters or other NPCs going around the world, and player can also like go around the world from town to town. And then player can go from town to town and do stuff. Okay, player can do stuff like trading, combat, develop the town, maybe things like that. Player can go to a lake and start fishing. There will also be like maybe the affection wars, so towns can get taken over and this and that. Kinda like that. Yes, it's a ridiculously huge project to tackle. I know. And I probably wouldn't even finish it. I just want to learn, okay? You still have the code, but you already made an RPG. What RPG? Making an RPG! Nani Night, welcome! Then the kind of lady is going to make rocket-powered grenades, yes. Gigi, hello! Okay. At first it's so cozy, then suddenly there's war, yes. So, I'm actually also thinking, instead of I want the movement to be grid-based movement. It's grid-based movement instead of free movement. And each time the player move, all the other NPC also move at the same time. So it's like turn-based, but only based on the player's movement. Get what I mean? And I think instead of making all the grids exist in the world at the same time, I think that's going to make the game super heavy, because imagine just how many grids there gonna be, right? So maybe it's better if I make like just, let's say, 8x8 grid, and then store the grid data somewhere in a script somewhere, and then I just built these 64 grids, like change the sprites and all based on the data of where of which grid should be visible for the player. If that makes any sense at all. But based on me. That's like Sailor in Honkai Star Rail. Turn-based? Yeah, based on me. What about making an RPG that is all about the adventures of a yellow jacket kobold? Nani kobold? Yeah, Gorashia malam, Erpan malam. Okay, so to do that, I think I want to first make the grids, yeah? Let's go! Babata will code a lot. Yes, I will have to code a lot, kusa. But this way, let's go! So, first thing first, we're gonna have to make the open krita. Environment. Let's call it terrain. Krita. We're gonna have to make the texture. First, let's make like, whatchamacallit? Grassland textures, yeah. Jangan manggil Baba, dia nggak manggilin aku. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm not Baba ke saya lah. This is a grid-based RPG, huh? Like Fire Emblem. Yes, exactly. This is going to be Fire Emblem killer. This is going to be all game killer. You won't be playing any other games anymore. This will be the only games left for you to play. Because this game will kill all the other games. Okay. Today old school dungeon crawling games. No, nothing like that. The combat is also gonna be very simple. Probably like it's stat based. So if you, for example, you have the combat of 9 and you fight enemy. Oh god.
Godot Porter mentraktir satu personal data. Baba haha harus coding mampus baba selalu berkarya.
Nani who the hell is this? Selalu berkarya. Haha harus coding. Of school. Thinking. Hold on. I need to thinking of the tongkang. Thinking of the tongkang. Selalu berkarya.exe. Sniffle. Bahkan sang donatur sudah mengakui. Apa? Okay. We start by drawing grass. Kusa. Grassland, for example. So the grassland, the grid is going to be full, right? I want to use this kusa, this color for the kusa. Let's say its color. Then this, we give it the line. My drawing pad. Suddenly not responding. What? Hold on. Thinking, what kind of art style would be nice for this? Okay. Well, I'll just do that as well. Make sure it's like seamless and stuff. Seamless and shit. Okay, that's all Kusa. Kusalan. Now we export that as PNG. Wak. Makan sang nanata. Gokak, this is Plants vs Zombie RPG vs Jigawa. Jeffia, welcome! Hello, Baba. Baba janai! Okay, now we go back to the Godot. Let's make a new folder. Call it terrain. Drop in the terrain.png here. So what I want to do is I want to create sprite.
Supporter, pronounced Godot, mentraktir satu personal data. Do you know why it's pronounced Godot? Choose you go and doing this nuts later. Ethel, selalu berkarya.
Get out. God, I'm going down this. Nani kusa. Thank you. This is Plants vs Zombie, but the RPG version and Ethel version to go. We'll call it Hacks vs Zombie. Kusa. Selalu berkarya. These nuts. Bahaha. Wajib clip. Apa wajib clip? Wak. Wak nano desu. Okay. Sprite 2D. Bam. I'm going to call this the rain. Animation, region, texture. New viewport texture, canvas texture, compressed texture, image texture. Are? New animated texture, camera texture, texture 2D. What are these? What are these? guess it's image texture. Sprite 2D. Okay, let's Google. Hello. Shop. I don't know what this engine even use. Ikari, welcome. Kaita happy. Tidak malam ini happy. Can you just drag the image onto the texture drop down? I think I can, but the image itself currently is like this, right? It's like this. I just want to take this one. Exactly, just that one. Resource. So how does do that? How does one do that? Is there a way to make the English and not to make the TTS English and not Indo? I don't know. It's an Indonesian service, so probably cannot. I don't remember there being an option for that. And if I make it English, then it's gonna butcher the Indonesian pronunciation. Easily use tile map. That pronunciation is getting to me sometimes. You need an atlas texture. How does one create? Di click nani, jadi kakak bikin hex. Kak. Atlas texture. Texture 2D. Atlas. That crops out parts of another texture 2D. Okay. Terrain atlas texture. Let's try. Atlas. This one. Bam. Region. Edit region. Margin. It's going to be 1 to 8 and 1 to 8. Oh, I got it! Nice! Resource, margin, script, terrain, the terrain atlas texture. Okay, so this we can give it terrain, grassland atlas texture, I guess. This we can call player sprite frames. Okay, and then here we just drop this. Ah, nice, nice. I think I want to put this back to 1 by 1, but the camera we gonna I'm just gonna pull the camera away from the action. Zoom, scale, rotation, skew. Huh. So this is how it looks like. Cute. Looking good. Kakak ayang daw. Kakak daw ngapain main codot. Nani yang kana tabi. Welcome. Support to Rust, C#, C++, and Godot. Ooh, it has C#. Nice. the clip. For sure, you are gonna use C# probably, or I'll probably prefer to use the most used coding language from tutorial, so that it's easier for me to find the tutorials for them. It's a plot twist that I ever want. Ethel use Godot. Oh iya, kakak Ethel susahan main game kayak visual novel atau game kayak GTA. Pingin tak pukul kamu? Ya susah GTA lah anjing. Kemandat, kememelcadat nani. Wow, I think welcome. Nerd. Asik dipukul itu. Okay, so this is the terrain. Can I turn this terrain into a prefab? Is there a prefab in Godot? Godot prefab from Unity. Prefab as a library. License, the editor. The scene system. Where are my prefabs? A prefab is provided by Unity is a template element on the scene. It is reusable and each instance of the prefab that exists in the scene has an existence.
God of Out mentraktir satu personal data. GW gak ngerti pada ngomong apa anjir bang. Ginikah rasanya jadi orang yang gak bisa Inggris pas nimbrung di stream Ethel? Karmakah ini selalu berkarya?
Selalu berkarya. Yes. Belajar Inggris. Learn it. It's important. It's good for you. Bagus bisa bahasa Inggris tuh. Pelajarilah. Godot uses scenes for that. Scenes? Scene is prefabs. So, what do I do? How? It's okay, we already knew you have short-term memories. Nani! I already hear from the start. Oh. You can save it as a scene and use it as a note on other scenes. Oh! This will give her best understand about her aging mind. Nani? That would be interesting. Kani. This Godot is a lot simpler than Unity. Apparently, yes. Walk. Rush is a pain to learn. Ethel, can I request you make some visual novel on Godot and it have skip button and other animation if you can. I need reference implementation from you, Suhu. Just use Renby. Rather than doing it on Godot, just use Renby if you want to make like simple visual novel. Like visual novel without much gimmick. Kalau kamu bingung bahasa Inggris, entah jadi atau tinggal bilang mata aja ke bahasa Inggris tuh tampar. Repot gak usah, gak apa-apa kok. I also am just learning Godot. How am I gonna make visual novel? If Babato let terrain is player child, the terrain will move with the player. It's not the player's child. Why? If you not see, it is easy. Just use Renby. Best answer, yes. I mean, what other answer am I supposed to say? Kok ditampar? Eyang apa sih? So, okay, so this is the terrain. Apparently, I can make this into a scene. Save grants as scene.
God of Out 2 mentraktir satu personal data. Not the English darn it, what are all y'all nerd talking about 3? Selalu berkarya.
You have no idea what I'm talking about. Well, yes. I'm a nerd and currently I'm doing a nerdy stuff. Like, yeah. I'm working on. I'm saving up about doing game engine, man. What do you expect? I understand that this kind of thing isn't understandable for many people because not everyone do the do game engines. I guess I did not see. No, seriously, just return by it's not that hard. She's a nerd. Yeah, I'm nerd. Babato can try Talmap node. Talmap node. For most people. Not for many. For most. I suppose, yes. Ketik nerd apabila itu cantik. Nani? Nerd moment. Talmap, huh? Can you change each style of the tile? Can you auto-generate? No, like really, can you change the tile map of the tiles? As in like for tiles, can you change the image for them? Let's see. Tile set. Rendering. Navigation layers. Oh. Add element. Name module. Navigation on. Thinking. Layer. This is layer. Okay. Collision animation. Collision imitable. If enabled, the tile map will see its collision sync to the physics stick and changes the collision type from static to kinematic. Tile map. Modulate. What? Z-index navigation. Not today. Rendering collision armature. New tile set. Let's try tile set. Create new resource. Tile set. Terrain tile set. Tile shape is square. Tile layout is stacked. Tile size, each of them is 180 by 180. Physics layer. Terrain set. Navigation layer. Custom data. Rendering. Terrain set. こうかな? Terrains. Match corners and sides. Yes, saya tidak mengerti turunan tapi yes. Tai. Mending jangan gini kalau gitu. I don't think this is what I want. I don't think that is what I want. In the end, the most important is learning the logic, which is 80% of programming process. That is true. Kalau berarti ada yang bisa menggodot, bisa combine, boleh aku coba. Mana boleh? Mana bisa? Tidak mengerti, tapi saya hanya ingin menemani nenekku yang tercinta. Nah, ini nenek. Itu ada tile set empty, diklik. Yeah, logic is the most important. Hikari will come. Most people in here not understand, including me. Love you. It's a Godot open source if you wanna contribute. Do you think I can contribute anything? Do you think I even know how to code? Coba buat taruh gambarnya Babato. Bisa. Pokoknya Hikari kalau bingung jangan Anggap na lagi ko spam. Nani? Can I control Z? Guess I cannot. Fuck. The rain set. Where? It's script. Resource. Rendering. Occlusion layers. Where? There is no way to add the thing. Custom data. Add element. Name terrain color. It's color? What's going on? Physics layer, navigation, custom data, occlusion layer, resource, ref content. Isometric hexagon. Wow! Okay. Pretty cool. Bagian tengah bawah. Okay bro, I know the logic and know parts of Ruby, C++ and Python, but I don't have the patience for it, so I just give up. It be like that. There's a learning curve to be honest, ya. Kaya itu kalau ada temanku bikin facecam lebih gampang daripada bikin games. Iya anjing. Tengah bawah. Sorry. Why sorry? Di bawah tengah ada tab kalau nggak salah. Tab? Tengah-tengah bawah. Navigation layer? No. Physics layer? No. There is none. Occlusion layer? No. Custom data? Any. The fuck is this? No. It's not here, really. I don't know how to use this thing. Lagi making map hacks versus... The other is easy because it's just the syntax, too. I think you need a certain interest and desire to put that logic to use. Do that also. You need to actually have the drive. It's about drive. It's about desire. We devour. Tengah. Di tengah, bukan di kanan. Naruhodo. Tiles, patterns, terrains. Edited tile map node has no tileset resource. Create or load the tileset resource in the tileset property inspector. Okay. Drop this here, I guess. I drop it here. This tileset has no source configured. Go to the tileset bottom tab to add more. Here it is. Okay, now I put the terrain. Bam. The atlas texture was modified. Would you like to automatically create tiles in the atlas? What? Yes? Question mark? What is this? Rendering quadrant size. No? Fucking alright. What is this? Bruh. That is not. What's going on? The terrain PNG patterns drag and drop base tile map selection here. I'm more confused than this than actually just putting on the sprites manually. I don't think this is really what I need. Like, seriously. So what I want is to have some grid here, and then just change its sprites on that grid along as the game progress. So instead of having a huge map tiles, I just want it to be here and control it using code. I think that would be easier on the computer or something. I don't know. Power, wak. Hikaru, morning grandma Janai. I'm here, hello, Eltonas, welcome. Desire. Yang lagi bikin apa sih, Hero? Lagi bikin game. I also don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. Okay, so let's see. So we got here a train. Can I make an empty? Okay, so I want to create a node. Okay, we will call this a grid. Yeah, a grid has a terrain, right? And then this, we are going to save it as a scene on here. Actually no, I'm going to make a new folder, I would say, call it grid, and then here we are going to have the grid. Bam, like so. So I guess I can just drag this in. What?
Zarok mentraktir satu personal data. Is about drive, is about power, we stay hungry, we devour.
Yeah.
Selalu berkarya.
Selalu berkarya. It's about drive, it's about power, we stay hungry, we devour. Yeah. Thank you. Reason, no. Scene. How do I add a scene into the scene? How do I add another scene into the scene? What? Let me read up. Yeah, save brands from scene, right? Okay, and then when I want to add it back in, what does it do? What do I do? Prefab reusable scene file. I feel scene. What? How do I add this scene into this? I guess it's like a resource file in the file system, or is it just import setting? I guess you do. No? The fuck? The parent to new node. Save brands as scene. Editable children. I'll just read up. A prefab is provided by Unity is a template blah blah blah. Godot does not provide prefabs as such, but the same functionality is provided by its scene system. The scene system is organized as a tree. Godot allows you to save any subtree of a scene as a scene file. This new scene can then be instanced as many times as you want. As a child of any node, any change you want make to this one separate scene will be applied to its instances. However, any change you make to the instance will not have any impact on the template scene. To be precise, you can modify the parameter of an instance in the inspector panel. The nodes that compose this instance are initially locked. You can unlock them if you need to be if you need by right-clicking the instance in the scene tree by selecting editable children in the menu. You don't need to do this to add new child nodes to this node. Remember that any new children will belong to the instance, not the template scene on disk. If you want to add new children to every instance of your template scene, you should add them in the template scene. Yeah, how do I use it? Drag and drop it to node 2D. Ah, not how to. Okay. なるほどな。The parts maybe. Have you seen that meme about the bear and the girl? Not that scene. The L. Alright, so we have this guy. Going to copy, and then I'm going to have it moved. Oh shit. Can I change this? It's not. Oh man, no. Add child nonsense. It's empty. Node 2D. All 2D related nodes has a position, rotation, scale, and z-index. Can I put this here? No? Well, shit, I'm dead. Don't save. Okay, do this first. Fuck. Make scene root. Oh, okay. Think I can do it this way. Bam. Nah. Put this here. Delete this. And now this will have the transform. We save this. Going back here. Now this will have the transform. Okay. I'm going to make empty here. I'm gonna call it grids. Drop this to here. Bam. Now it's of the grids. They will have let's say calculator. So if one grid is 128. 128 is no, this is 0. So going up 1 is 128. Oh, it's minus 128. Okay. So that means going up. If I want it to be like 8 by 8, that means no, 8 by 8 isn't gonna cut it. Let's say it's 5 by 5, so that we actually have the center. That means from here to up it's 28 times 5, 640 minus 640. I guess. Int main bool is Ethel dump true. Bool is Ethel old equals is Ethel dump. STD count is Ethel old. Bool alpha is Ethel old. Nanio, what do you mean is Ethel old equals Ethel dump? Nah, just making fun of me now. So if I do this, okay, that means we can delete this, then just keep 512 minus 512. Let's go. Nah. Okay, alright. Let's add. I'm going to add here A row. This is going to be a row. Huh? Huh. This is the na 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 The fact that you had to read that without realizing in a glance is very funny to me. Hey, I have no idea what that is, okay? Look, I'm not a programmer. The only programming I can do is in Unity C#, okay? I can't even do C# in any other program. True, she's not old. She's just extremely experienced in life. Nani! How do you feel about being bullied through coding? I'm feeling very offended. La cucaracha, ya no puede caminar. Porque le falta una patita a caminar. Okay, 1 to 8. 1 to 8 plus 1 to 8 is 256. 384. And then 512. One, two, three, four. That's 9 by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arere? Hold on. Something's not right. I think it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, yabe. Uwa, yabe. I'm making one too many. Free. Two. I have no idea if this even gonna if this is even the right way to do it, but I'm just going to I'm just using my instinct from what I would do in Unity, basically. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do in Unity. And so it's also probably also how I do it in Godot kind of thing. It's just a code and does he know Ethel old is Ethel da. It is C# Java and any C# equals Java any shit. Now you can do karaoke in Spanish. Yay! That is 10. It is 10, yes. No, it is 9. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9. Okay, that's one row. Let's say it's row number 1. let's say this is grid number 1. We're gonna copy duplicate the row, and then we select all of these guys. This will be 384. Ooh. Bam bam 38 minus 384. Duplicate the row, select all the guys, minus 256. Duplicate the row again, select all the guys, minus 128. Oops. Minus 128. Select all. Bam bam 0. Then select everything again. 1 to 8. Um, 256. 384. 512. Nice. Why is player not in front of the grids? Animation, offset, frame 8, speed scale, frame. Canvas item, ordering. Z index 1. Ah, that's all. Okay. Now, if we play, we can see that we now have a terrain. Look, we have a terrain, guys. And this terrain is where the the magic will happen. Thinking. Kinda too small, huh? Have you used Python or Lua? I have not. Apparently the Google AI Bard is gonna be roughly 40 times more useful and smarter for coding than ChatGPT 4.0. Let's go, I'll just make the AI code for me. When that release for public, if it can help make my lazy I realize some games, it might be nice. It might be nice, yes. I wonder though, will that render programmers obsolete then? Or how? I guess it doesn't. Because, I'm pretty sure even if it's useful, even if it's smart, I'm pretty sure you can't just tell it, hey, Bart, code me a game like GTA 5. It probably cannot do that. What is stopping you now? Everything. Lazy and impatient and have other things to do, make money or creatively to make money or creatively pursue. Don't believe to Gulu. Last time Google used a trick test to their AI. Kit, what kit? Nice. We now have a train. Where is it going? It's not a train, it's terrain. Next stream landing Unreal 5. Hello, welcome. Are you already here? What? Ask it to code GTA 6. No, I can do it perfectly, Marzi. So we don't need to wait. I doubt it'll make programmers obsolete. Programmers evolve with technology and always has. It. If anything, they're gonna use it to re-innovate programming some more. Hell yeah, they will. Should I add another, like, you know, another layer here? I probably should. Yeah, probably should. That means we're gonna have to delete all these. Fuck. Fine. Okay. This is gonna be minus 640. Oh god. Can I like just move them like I can? I can. Oh. No. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Just oh, too much. Nice. There you go. And now we add 2 more over here. This is 5 to 12. This is, and this is 640. Why didn't I think of doing it this way before? So dumb. So stupid. Oh my god. Why are you so stupid? Oh my god. Oops. Click this one. Select this. Then just move them down like so. We move them until it's 385, 384. Like so. Nice. And then we select all 4. We duplicate them, select everything except the empty nodes. Then we just move them down until it shows 1 to 8. Yeah, it shows 1 to 8, minus 1 to 8. Move them down, move them down. Keep moving, keep moving. Oh. Okay. Then we just need is it the correct row or not? It is. Nice. Because sometimes in Unity it goes out of order. Okay, we just need like 8. We need 3 more. This we pull down until it's, I think, 256. No? Not 256, then 384. There you go. Nice. That was easier than I thought. Okay. Nifty. Now if we play, the screen should look, the terrain screen looks much bigger. It's not exactly, it is bigger, but it's just like, it looks nicer to, it's nicer to look at, I would argue. Nice. Void, welcome! Void sis. Hi, Godot. I'm still learning, but so far I'm understanding. It's very lightweight, very so much faster than Unity, so I'm liking it. Ethel AI, I'm not. Why do we even need AI? We already have a smart robot at the bottom like this. Nani? Cannot see Gemini programming Gokibunya. Gokibunya. Ethel's AI is artificial idiocy. Kusa. True. At this is the idiocy is artificial. At this. I thought you gonna say actual idiocy. Most programmer is if they use AI, they use Copilot. Oh, they Copilot, or is that the AI's name? Ethel is AI. I'm not. Oh my god! So you're really making heads with Programmer teacher I had once said that programmers shouldn't be afraid of taking shortcuts because they'll be judged on the end user product, not on how they do it. True. Oh my god, hello, welcome Floyd. I don't know if you already know about this, but if you want to draw 2D environment rather than doing it manually like that, you can use tile maps. Free, welcome. Yeah, I know there's a tile map. Hamburger told me. But so here's the thing. In each of these, or this row, I want to change the tiles on each of these in runtime. So right now it's green grassland. Maybe if I want to, and then if the player moves to the right, for example, maybe this will become like water or something. Can I do that with tile maps? And then on each of these tiles, on top of it I will put like town object, a structure object, and then actor object that will also be changed based on what the player sees on that, at that moment, kind of thing. If that makes sense. Maybe this isn't really the best way to do it. He was referring to use code found on the internet for our own stuff. The thing that I'm scared of when doing that is most of the time I don't really understand what the codes from the internet that I'm finding. Maps. Why do you think Jordan? Make honeymoon game Jigao, Harvest Moon. I see what makes it faster than Unity for you. I guess because the engine is very light. It's only 100 megabyte, and you don't need to install anything. Ito is AI engine is nanya. Next thing, building a game with scratch, Jingea. Ito na ta welcome. Why so many 2D notes grid? What is this? What for is that? I want to be able to control each of these grids during runtime. So because I want to randomize the terrain. Basically, can I randomize terrain with tile maps? Godot. How to create procedural tile patterns in Godot? You can? Fuck me. How to use the new tile map in Godot 4?
So the new Godot 4 alpha version just dropped, and with it we can play with the new tile map we all awaited. And you guys wanted a tutorial on how to use it. We video has first, because I think this is the tile property editor on the right. I have a crown Z index, and you can hide them individually. Now let's take a look at terrains. Terrains are the new auto tiles, but they are more flexible and intuitive. You add terrains in the editor on the right under tile 2 by weather. I want grass and
procedural tile pattern.
In this tutorial, we'll see how to randomize tile patterns in Godot inside the editor to spice up our environment without the hassle of placing tiles one by one. If you don't have a lot of time, or you're lazy, or both, you'll understand the struggle to create good random looking tile patterns in your games. Going through the horrible process.
Oh, not like that. Not that one. Huh. I guess there's really no tutorial for it. Can do procedural generation with tile map with noise. You can? That's nice. What are you trying to make right now? I'm trying to make RPG. It's easy between the daily drive. What do you mean? Randomized value is possible, but terrain... terrain, I'm not sure. Yeah, I wanted to randomize terrain. Lol. Use Indian tutorial. This is Ethel's first step to making a road slide. LFG? What's an LFG? What would we do without Indian tutorial? I had the tile tutorial. If I were to want only one chunk follow the player, we need to code. Yes, we gonna need to code. I know we gonna. Enakan mah nama app biasanya. Enakan, kurang tahu masih. Masih bingung ini sumpah. Okay, so now we have the player. That in the center. Yeah. So now we gonna need to code stuff. Yes. Gonna need to do some codings. Let's first, however, let's make a water terrain. I want to make water terrain. John, hello, welcome. Let's fucking go. Let's effing go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Color. Let's see. I guess this is nice. Light line. Okay, that looks like water, Should I even, do I even need the black lines? Do I even need the black lines? Wah, kita itu kak, betul. Christy OG, welcome. Holy shit, hello. Puntan malam. Now we need to code stuff, yes. But let's first make water today. Learning the tile maps? No, I don't think so. Not yet, probably. Wah, just white may be better. White only? Okay. Right, that's good enough. We group this water. PNG. Export as PNG na no. Bam. Close. Go back to Unity. Go back to Godot. And then can I just replace the thing? Does it get replaced? It doesn't. Wait. Oh. Okay, never mind then. Move duplicate at 3 import. Doesn't do it. Show in the file manager. Okay. So when we play, it's almost 2 hours. You keep making me play Monhan on Sierra. Might as well just be Monhan streamer or what? Okay, so what I want to do is, I don't think we have time. Train Grassland Atlas. Let me copy this, and we're gonna call it Train Water. Duplicate. This is going to be horizontal is 256. No? Are they? The hell? The margin? Oh. No, that's not it, what it is. What? One point. Ah! Huh? There you go. Right. And now we have the terrain, right? So now, one of these grids, we can change it to... We can probably change the one of it into... Okay. Editable children. Okay. Bam! Something like that, right? Suddenly there's a water in the middle. Like that. But that's going to happen during runtime. Right? That's gonna happen during runtime, not now. In the scene, it's just gonna be like this. Aisha, welcome! That is Aguita, that is the Laquita. How delicious is the Aguita? I can't believe it, Ethel going to remake Kokibun and Chigao! Kenapa ada VTuber grind guiding when I go? Wah, I've watched Simarin else for Ethel. No! Not a lot. That reminds me. Like, tonight is Yuru, huh? Should I watch, after this, should I watch Eurocamp or should I watch Dungeon Messi? I think I'm gonna go Eurocamp. The vibe is just Eurocamp. Dungeon first? Why dungeon first? Ito Ben Asa po. I'm in the mood for Yuru. It's a chill vibe right now we're having. Okay, so we gonna have to start doing the do then. Yeah. Yuru mesh. It is I want to stream 4 times a day and 12 hours each stream. Yes. We are going to stream a total of 48 hours a day. Let's go. Crazy what? Train, grid. I think it's going to be in grid. So how do I create a script? Language is... Oh, it's only GD script? Fuck, okay. Inherits none. Template is not default. Built-in script path. Template default. Pasteable for not with default product cycle method. Creator. New script. Oh boy. I'm gonna call it grid data script, I guess. Huh? Oh, okay. I guess I need to make a note here. We call it grid. Oh, no, never mind. Grids. We add the script of grid data here, I suppose. And then in grid data, let's do this. But, however, it's already 2 hours, so I'm gonna have to go now. We continue this maybe some other time. Maybe some other time. Maybe being a big maybe here, yeah? Being a big maybe here, but we'll see. We'll see. You promise? What promise? You want no bombs? Kisa! We'll hear Ethel ngora. Baba, go where? Ha? Good tabare. Not as maybe as Unreal 5. Yeah, not as maybe as Unreal 5. But still maybe, yeah. Unreal 5 is just way too much for me, man. I cannot follow. But this Godot so far, I can understand. I can actually understand what I'm doing with it. Right? I can understand so much. I guess it's pretty similar to Unity so much that I'm not even doing it like properly. I'm doing something unconventional on my first go already. Godot. DIY your own VGS so you can do that. It's not that I cannot run the game engine. I can. But it's so hard to understand what even is going on. Unconventional on her first Godot. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Ethel Chamomile. If you like and subscribe, become a member. Tonight we have Hero, and I think on level 437. Highest def is Hero. Highest skill is Hero, 809. Highest def is the 199. Oops. What did I just move? The hell? No, Baba gone. Not Baba. Thank you again for name and everyone who supports me on Patreon. WMR seperti me on FANBOX, Mikael, Kobat Pujefil, Fat Cats, Naipati Bryant, Mimas Majasi, Duhu, Oja Blaze, Sekadeva, Devilman, and Takinsa, Sanon, Daniel, Trill, Dem, King of Crimson, Ricky, Dafa, Grid, ID, Coaching V, I think she, Tans, Belawe, Daviti, Josa, Timothy, that guy is a Bismod, Chinix, Tamara, Linjas, Depti, Piura, Mama. Guys, Iko, hi, and everyone support me as a member. Thank you so much. For that, have a nice day, and take care. Also, speaking of members, I've updated the visual novels. So, like from now on, updated the previous visual novels that were only available for citizen and up, and they are now available for settlers as well with like a little bit tweakings. Like so, from settlers you can already access the visual novel, but with it only has still image. For citizen and up, the image like they have not animation but actual visual novel flares to it basically. Yeah. And for investor, the visual novels are actually voiced. So yeah, go check it out if you're settlers and up. And from now on, the visual novels will be like that. Kiran, welcome! Otsu desu. Today's June visual novel. What June? Haven't make June lah. See you all.